Good afternoon, students. Today we will study lecture 9, Organic Chemistry, Heterocyclic Compounds. We will study today synthesis and electrophilic substitution reactions of pyridine. Methods of synthesis of pyridine. So first preparation is from acetylene and hydrogen cyanide. Acetylene is H2C2, hydrogen cyanide is HCl. The mixture of acetylene and hydrogen cyanide is passed through a red hot tube to give pyridine. So here in the reaction we are seeing C triple bond C, HH, C triple bond C, HH. This is the acetylene, HC triple bond N, hydrogen cyanide. So when it is passed through red hot tube, polymerization takes place and you are getting pyridine. So in this way we can prepare pyridine from acetylene and hydrogen cyanide. Next, second preparation is from pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride. On heating pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride salt gives piperidine, which on oxidation, that is dehydrogenation with concentrated sulfuric acid, gives at 300 degrees centigrade forms pyridine. So CH2, 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 5 pentamethylene. CH2 are 5 pentamethylene, then NH2, NH2 2 times diamine HCl hydrochloride. So pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride, when heated we are getting piperidine, CH2, CH2, CH2 5 times NH. So it is 6-membered ring with NH. This is known as piperidine. Then when heating with concentrated H2SO4, dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen takes place and we are getting pyridine. So this is the second method of preparation of pyridine from pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride. Next, third is from glutaconic aldehyde and ammonia. Glutaconic aldehyde reacts with ammonia on heating, gives pyridine. So here glutaconic aldehyde, C double bond OH, CH double bond O, then C double bond CH, CH, CH2. This is glutaconic aldehyde. So two aldehyde groups are there and 3 carbons are there. It is known as glutaconic aldehyde. So same thing, glutaconic aldehyde, enol form we are seeing. So enol form reacting with ammonia, H2 are removed, 2 molecules of H2 are removed to give pyridine plus 2H2O. So from glutaconic aldehyde and ammonia on heating we are getting pyridine. This is the third method of preparation of pyridine. Next, fourth is from pyrrole. By ring expansion reaction method, when pyrrole is heated with dichloromethane in presence of sodium ethoxide, gives pyridine. So pyrrole is there, you know it is 5-membered ring, NH, pyrrole is there, CH2Cl2. Methane is CH4, 2 hydrogens are removed and in that place 2 chlorine are added. So it is dichloromethane, then or methylene chloride in the presence of C2H5ONa. This is sodium ethoxide. Na is sodium, C2H5O is ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide on heating we are getting pyridine, NaCl and C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol, sodium chloride are the side products we are getting in the preparation of pyrrole, in the preparation of pyridine from pyrrole. It is a ring expansion reaction. Pyrrole is 5-membered ring and pyridine is 6-membered ring. So when we see the mechanism, we will see that in pyrrole 1 CH2 get added and 4 in the place of 4, 1 more CH2 is added. So 5 methylene group are there, N is there and pyridine is formed. So this is the fourth method of preparation of pyridine from pyrrole by ring expansion. Next, fifth is from 3-methyl pyridine. 3-methyl pyridine also known as beta picoline. This on oxidation with potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid gives nicotinic acid, which on decarboxylation with calcium oxide is also known as lime, gives pyridine. So in the reaction we are seeing pyridine ring is there. On the third position methyl group is there, 3-methyl pyridine, that is beta picoline is known as. So K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate in the presence of H2SO4, that is acidified potassium dichromate on oxidation gives nicotinic acid. So in the place of CH3 COH is there, then it is known as nicotinic acid. When we are heating with lime, that is calcium oxide, we are getting pyridine plus CO2. This is decarboxylation reaction because carbon dioxide is removed here. It is known as decarboxylation reaction. So 3-methyl pyridine in acidic medium with potassium dichromate, oxidation takes place to give nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid on heating with lime gives pyridine plus CO2. This is the fifth method of preparation of pyridine from beta picoline. Next, mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction of pyridine. So pyridine gives electrophilic substitution reactions such as nitration, sulfonation and halogenation at position 3. So why we are getting at position 3, we are seeing the electrophilic substitution at position 2 and 4 is most unfavorable because the canonical form 1 and 2 carries positive charge. So in the next slide we will see this say 2 and 4 electrophilic substitution, how it is taking place. And now here we are seeing electrophilic attack at 3 position. We are seeing pyridine ring is there, and on third position E, that is electrophile is attacking. E is positively charged, it is attacking on 3. And then resonance structures we are saying. So in 6th position positive is there, in their 4th position positive group is there, and on nitrogen there is a lone pair of electrons. So in here the electrophilic attack can take place at position 3 because on nitrogen there are lone pair of electrons, and so electrophilic substitution can take place here. And but in position 2 and 4 it is not taking place. We will see why. The electrophilic substitution at position 2 and 4 is most unfavorable because the canonical form 1 and 2 carries positive charge on nitrogen, which is most electronegative and should be negatively charged. So here we are seeing in one structure 1 and structure 2, in when electrophilic attack at position 2 we are having 1, and in electrophilic attack at 4 position we are having in canonical structure 2. We are seeing that when electrophilic attack is taking place at position 2, we are seeing that on 3 position positive charge is there, and in the second figure in 5 position positive charge is there, and in third canonical form on the nitrogen positively charge is there, but on nitrogen there should be negative charge because it is the most electronegative element, and so it should have negative charge, but here it is not having negative charge, so electrophilic attack cannot take place in position 2. Next we will see an electrophilic attack at 4 position. We are seeing when the electrophilic attack is on 4th carbon is there, then what happens? First 3 position positive charge is there, and then on nitrogen positive charge is there, and then 5 position positive charge is there. So here also there is on nitrogen there is positive charge instead of negative charge. So here also on position 4 also the electrophile cannot attack. So the 2 and 4 electrophilic substitution do not take place. The electrophilic substitution takes place at position 3. In chemical reactions of pyridine electrophilic substitution, we know that the electrophile will attack on position 3. First reaction is nitration. Pyridine undergoes nitration when heated with potassium nitrate and concentrated sulfuric acid at 350 degrees centigrade and gives 3-nitropyridine. You are seeing the pyridine is there on the arrow, KNO3 potassium nitrate in presence of H2SO4 sulfuric acid at 350 degrees centigrade. Nitro group is there, which is attacking on 3rd position, and 3-nitropyridine is formed. So nitration of pyridine gives 3-nitropyridine in presence of potassium nitrate and sulfuric acid. Next, sulfonation. Pyridine undergoes sulfonation with fuming sulfuric acid in presence of mercuric sulfate to give pyridine 3-sulfonic acid. So in the diagram you are seeing the pyridine is there, 6-membered ring with nitrogen in the presence of SO3 oblique H2SO4 and mercuric sulfate at 300 degrees centigrade. You are seeing in position 3 pyridine 3-sulfonic acid is formed. So as we know that electrophilic substitution is taking place at position 3. So sulfonic acid group SO3H is sulfonic acid group is attacking on 3rd position, and pyridine 3-sulfonic acid is formed. So sulfonation of pyridine in the presence of mercuric sulfide fuming sulfuric acid gives pyridine 3-sulfonic acid. Next, halogenation. Pyridine can be brominated by passing the vapors of pyridine and bromine over a catalyst charcoal at 220 to 300 degrees centigrade to give a mixture of bromo derivatives. We are seeing pyridine is there on the arrow, bromine is there. That means in the bromine vapors are passed. Then temperature is 220 to 300 degrees centigrade over the charcoal, and where we are getting beta bromopyridine, or it is known as 3-bromopyridine. Position 3 is there 3-bromopyridine, and next one more 3,5-dibromopyridine. So mixture of bromo derivatives is formed by halogenation of pyridine in the presence of bromine and catalyst charcoal. So halogenation of pyridine gives beta-bromopyridine or 3-bromopyridine and 3,5-dibromopyridine. Next, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Pyridine does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction since aluminum chloride and other Lewis acid catalysts coordinate with the pair of electrons of nitrogen to form a complex. So here the electrophilic substitution reaction cannot take place. So on pyridine plus AlCl3, nitrogen with nitrogen lone pair AlCl3 is attacking and a complex is formed. Pyridine aluminum chloride complex is formed, and here in the Friedel-Crafts reaction, pyridine undergo this such type of reaction to give a complex. Pyridine aluminum chloride complex is formed in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next, mercuration. Pyridine may be mercurated easily at 3 positions using mercuric acetate. Pyridine is there, HgCH3COO taken twice. It is mercuric. If it was mercuric, then HgCH3COO. COO is acetate, Hg is mercury. So mercuric acetate is formed. CH3COO taken twice is mercuric acetate. We get 3-acetoxy mercury pyridine. So in the 3 position, we are seeing acetoxy and mercury group is getting attached, and we are getting 3-acetoxy mercury pyridine is formed. So mercuration of pyridine gives 3-acetoxy mercury pyridine is formed in mercuration reaction of pyridine in the presence of mercuric